Right.
That's why I don't know what the.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm glad the community rallied around.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have Leroy's pumping up soccer balls.
And my friends, names again. Name. What's your name again? Anika. And your Tabo.
Yes.
And your name?
Tidunga.
Tindi?
Tidunga.
Tidunga. No, one more time. Say it again. TD? T? D? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm too slow.
Then you got all these other guys
Your
already
name?
playing with the ball.
Not too slow. Okay. And my friend, what's your name, buddy? What's your name?
You gotta go play with the ball. You gotta go
Sir.
play with it. You gotta kick it around.
She's just smiling with the ball.
Can y'all kick it back and
the
forth?
ball. Kick it. Roll the ball. You're just posing. You're a model. You're the model. You just pose with the ball. What's up, buddy? How are you? Okay. All right. We got to go fast because the ball's not inflated yet. There we go. Everybody, come on. Come on. Come on, everybody. Everybody, come on. There we go.
Yeah.
It's inflation proof.